Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to watch adult videos on YouTube. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to start watching content specifically for adults, well, this one is kind of difficult but also kind of easy. Depends on your current situation. Now, typically, if you've restricted your account, so there's an option here on YouTube that actually restricts your account on certain content. So you want to go and open up YouTube here, click on the U option that you see at the bottom right of your screen. And in here, you want to go and click on the gear icon at the top right and go and click on general. Now, in here, you want to look for what we call the restricted mode. So in this case, if restricted mode is actually turned on, this will basically hide potentially mature videos. So that includes like adult content. Now, obviously, you want to make sure that this is actually turned off so that those would actually appear in your algorithm or in your search or searches here on YouTube. So in this case, by default, that's how you can actually see or view those videos online. But if you're, for example, you have you are connected to a family account, so like for example, you're a child and your parents added you to the family center here. Well, typically by default, if you are added to, let's just say, to YouTube Kids, well, they need to change, or your parent needs to change how that account actually works on YouTube. So if you are a parent and you want to update that for your child, you just need to click on Family Center in your settings here, and you want to go and choose the child or the child account, and from then on you should have the option to change it from YouTube Kids to just regular YouTube here, so YouTube and YouTube Music. So you can go and just choose either one in here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.